Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to remove and replace front parking lights. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so as you can see on my Taurus, the left front parking light is not working. This is the one right here, and if you compare it to the other one, you'll see this one is working. It's this yellow light right here. So I will show you how to replace both sides. First I will show you the passenger side because it's much easier. So the socket is right here, so all you have to do, you have to turn it counterclockwise and pull out the bulb, and the bulb you need is 3457. Now to remove the bulb from the socket, you just pull it straight out. Okay, I can show it to you as well. So this is all you have to do, right? When installing the new bulb in, just push it in and then you will install the socket back in place, back into the headlight assembly, and you will turn it clockwise. Okay, now the other side can be a bit trickier because this airbox cover is on the way. So what you have to do, you just have to squeeze your hand through here and do the same thing like on the other side. Turn the socket counterclockwise. Now if you don't have a too big hand, you should be able to do it. I will show you first where is the socket. I will turn the flash on my phone. Okay, you see it's right down there. So you can pretty much squeeze your hand through here. You see I can grab it and I can turn it and pull it out and replace the bulb, right? But if you cannot do it, what you'll have to do, you'll have to remove this just a second, this cover. So what you want to do, you want to loosen up this screw right here, disconnect the MEF sensor, and then just pull the cover up and remove it, right? And then you will have much more space to approach that socket. But yeah, that's it. Once again, you will need bulb 3457. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.